Hi, I'm Trish from the Design Basics, and today I want to show you a few pieces from my minimal industrial bedroom. Let's start with the frame, the focal piece of the bedroom. This is a bed frame in Messmate, and I chose this for the light blonde and the natural grains, timber being a typical material in industrial design. The next piece I chose for this package is this bedside table. I love this bedside table for the mixed materials, the glass, the metal frame and the timber drawer there. And also that it's airy, so you can put, for example, a plant or some books on the base here. I've got a typical industrial style bedside table lamp, but the one thing that I want to highlight here is this cushion, which I included for some texture. If you have a preferred color scheme, you can actually choose a cushion in your favorite color scheme to personalize the space. I've got some art ideas there, just an abstract black and white piece and a jute rug if you happen to have floorboards. So all in all, I think that these minimal pieces that come together really nicely to create a typical industrial style bedroom. So you can buy one piece or all the pieces, and you can do that today. Thanks very much.